How's it going, everyone? My name is Mr. Aholic, and welcome to an exciting episode of Mad Father Part 3. Where we left off is we destroyed the monster with fire. That awesome fire. And we went to that weird lab where all those experiments were done. And I just realized something, okay? Wait, so this is where the freaking things were. The ice fell out. And then I realized... Wait, oh, sorry. I have to go back in the room. I realized, look at this bucket. Look at that pretty bucket. Just look at it. Beautiful bucket. Just check it. Oh. I can take it. Did not see that coming. Did not. Oops. Oh, God. Maria. Mistress, you're wounded. But I will be fine. Forget me. Escape somewhere safe. Oh, oops, sorry, God dang it. Where's father? I heard him scream from my room. I must save the doctor. Oof. Sorry. You can't go with that wound. But Maria, what happened to father? The doctor is further in. His wife, His wife? My mom? What do you mean, Maria? Maria! I slap her or something. It may seem she's passed out. You again. At any rate, it sounds like your father has gone ahead. Deeper into the underground maze. What did Maria see? Mom passed away, right? What's going on here? Don't tell me the curse. You'll only be able to confirm your suspicions by passing on, won't you? I hate that dude. What a weird guy. She's fainted. What the hell? There's something under her skirt. A room key. So I got a room key. Maybe it's her room. Ooh, look, something shiny. Father. What the hell's that? Oh, crap, it's your mom. Mom, is that you? Mom! Is that really Mom? There's no way I mistook her. That was Mom. Why even Mom is it? Must be the curse, right? Haven't you noticed? Again! Why? This tragedy brought about by the power of a woman's curse. Instead of her father. That was returning to curse, seeking out. Could that woman be? You do realize, yes, your mother. That can't be. Why do you think that? Because Mom loved father. Mom even understood father's work, and father loved Mom in return. Wasn't Mom happy? I couldn't believe she has a grudge against father. But maybe Mom didn't like Father Maria. I don't want it to be true, but... So you'll go find the truth. ... Let's go back and get that shiny. Oh, what the... That thing just... A head. Wow. Where's my body? Eek. The hell is that? Oh, it's the body. Maybe I have to drag it because it has to get me. So dragging it. Good. Found it. Huh. Maybe it's gonna attack me. Thanks. Disappears in the fog. Grab the gem. Nope. Just look at him. Nope. It just disappears. sad to say I have to this video is gonna be shorter than the others, so you'll probably see, not this short, not like right now, no, just not right now. I swear to God, at least give me something to fight off these monsters. Hey, that dude's gone. Maybe I have to go in here. Oh, look at it. I think, yeah, gem. Yay. Oh, wait. Yeah, maybe I have to push it. What is it? What is it? What is it? What is it? It's a mini chainsaw! Yes! Oh, dang it, I forgot to read it. But I saw control ship thing. Okay, so. Oh, another battle. Sorry, god damn it. I can do it. Aya, what are you doing swinging that thing around? Sorry. That isn't a toy. It's a very dangerous tool. Understood? Never play with anything like this again. Sorry, Father. I'm glad you're not hurt. It is odd, though. I thought this would be somewhere that was out of your reach. Where on earth did you find this? I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Father. So... There's like a... Oh, excuses. God damn it. God damn it, So... Oh, look. Okay, I know how to use it now. Okay. I know how to use it. Don't worry, I know how to use it. Go. Oh, what the hell? No. What's happening? It feels like I'm getting grabbed. My leg. Oh, shit. Oh, no. Back away. I want to go in there. Oh, he's right there. He's right there. I don't want to go in there. I seriously don't want to go in there. Like, literally, I seriously do not want to go in there. No. Yes. No. Yes. No. Yes. No. Yes. Oh, so many decisions. Like, why? Why? Can I have the choice of not going? Is that a way? Maybe the dog's gone. Let me check. The dog's still there. Being among the stupid person over there. There's a bunch of things that could happen. Yep. Nope. Really have to go right here. Oh, no. Huh? I think he was trying to say something. Like what? What was it trying to tell me? Was it telling me to go in here? Oh, it's Mira's room. But what will Maria be doing over here? So I guess this is her room, maybe? Huh. Maybe. Yeah. Maybe it's just her room, maybe. Okay, Mira's diary. Read it. Doctor, it's been a year to the day since I came to this mansion. I never forgot that day. Wow, that's loud. Please, food. Food. Somebody. Food. Somebody. Hey, Bum. She could be a fine subject with some work. It's pitiful to see one so skinny. Come to my home, please. I'll give you clothes and delicious meal. She's eating, she's eating, she's eating. Stay here for a little while. I'll tell my family about you. Family? I have a wife and a girl turning 7. I'm sure they would welcome you. Family. This person is like me. What awful injuries. It must hurt. Perhaps I could do something. My shirt won't be enough cloth, but the other cloth I have is. What does she mean by that? I'm surprised. He was about to die, but he recovered overnight. It seems he was given excellent treatment. Did you treat him? Yes. How handy. Especially talented. Please, I can't let this go to waste. Wait, is he using her? What's your name? I am Maria. Maria, huh? Inappropriate name. Maria, could you be my assistant? I do not wish to lose you. Please stay with me. Well, will you entrust me with the rest of your life? Yes. Wow, so I guess she had big feelings for him. I was so happy you had saved me. I was alone, but you made me needed. You gave me love. As long as I needed, I will stay with you. How would I live without you? I love you, Doctor. So much feels. So much. ... I never really knew anything about Maria after all. Maria must really love Doctor too. Father! Dang it! I got him stuck on Maria's time, so I guess she really loves father too. Wow. So sad to say, guys, but I'm gonna cut this episode right now. I just want to see how my chainsaw goes. I just want to try my chainsaw out. Then I'll leave. So, wait. Oh, here we go. Oh, yay! 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 I guess I can right there. Yeah. So, guys, leave a like. Share this with your friends, and I'll see you guys on part 4. Peace.